How to earn money as a student only using a computer, according to ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT 3 things a student with a computer could do to earn money by themselves, and here we are. The first thing you can do is freelancing. If you don't know what freelancing is, it's something like working for yourself or for an organization rather than a company. This contains graphic designing, video editing, and etc. If you have designing skills, you can create logos, social media graphics, or simple illustrations. And if you have video editing skills, you can edit for YouTube channels or social media content. That can be a good niche. Second thing you can do is content creation. See, there are a lot of channels out in the world, and you think that's easy, but that is not true. You need to work really hard to keep your consistency, editing your videos, double checking them, and all of that. But if you have enough time, try content creating. You don't even need to show your face or use your voice. Just create a YouTube channel around a topic you are passionate about, and once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And the last thing you can do is game testing and streaming. You know, some companies pay for game testing to provide feedback on new games, and if you enjoy gaming, you can stream on platforms like Twitch and potentially earn through donations and subscriptions. And if you want to, you can edit the whole live video and put texts, transitions, video effects, and background music to make a YouTube video and upload it to YouTube. That's what makes you a streamer and a YouTube content creator. So if you're a student and you don't know how to earn money by yourself, try these if you can. And don't forget to subscribe if this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.